Hey guys, it's Patti here again. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Patience, but I go by Patti. Patti is just so much easier. In today's video, I'm just quickly going to do a slideshow of before and after of the outside of my house when I first purchased this. This was a fixer-upper. I bought this in 2016, and since then it's a project I've been working on. The reason why I'm just putting this out is that this should be your motivation if you just started, you bought a home and you're sort of struggling to put it all together when it comes to landscaping or creating a garden. This is just going to be the journey to me creating a garden. It's 4.5 years now, and I've been taking pictures and documenting it. So now I'm just going to put it online now that I've started a YouTube channel. So I'm just going to show you some before and after. This is just going to be part one because I need to put more pictures together and everything, and I haven't done that yet. So I hope you enjoy this. The one thing I'm going to leave you with is that let pain be your motivation. Okay, when I bought this place, you're gonna see in the pictures, I tried to get some people to help me out, and I think based on my location, two landscapers said my house was too small and it was too much work. And I just decided, you know, I probably could do this myself if I were to put my mind to it. So the pain of rejection was something that motivated me to get to where I am today. So I hope you enjoy the slideshow, and hopefully you stick out for part two, which I should be doing in the next month or so. But please enjoy the video, and I will see you again in my next video.